Hi, Kyler here from FlexArm. Today I'm going to show you one of the features of our READY robot. It's called the blend move. It's a really quick way to teach your robot the path that you want it to take in a short amount of time. So we're in the programming screen here. We click on robot moves, blend. This pops up. Now, as you can see, I can move the robot around with my hands right now. That's in what we call in teach mode, what READY Robotics calls teach mode. This teach mate lights up and it's blue when it's in teach mode. So in that mode, like I said, you can move it around and you can program points in a blend. So we're gonna make a robot wave by using a blend move. We'll set the first point here just by clicking this button on the teach mate. As you can see, that point is now saved on the screen. We can do the rest really quickly just by moving the robot around. So we'll do one here, then up here, over here, back to the middle, and we'll spin around a little bit and come back down. So now I'll run that blend move. Now robot waved, it didn't take much time at all, and we use that move a lot in our programming for tending the lathe and the mill and the different things that we're doing with our robot here at FlexArm, and it really helps us save a lot of time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-837-2503.